Declan? What are you doing, Declan?
Oh.
Are you working with Dada?
No.
You are? What are you working on? Important stuff?
That.
Oh, really?
Oh.
No way.
P. P.
There you go. Good job. Can you write an M? Circle. Good job. What? Little. Little. I want you to laugh again. That was really cute. What are you doing? It's fake as they come, but it's darling. What are you doing? Declan. Declan. Oh, quit looking at the TV. Declan.
Wait.
That's right, Wally. Wally changed the light bulb. Declan. Do you have any more laughs for Mama? Oh, he's done. Okay.